YouTube video. What this channel is going to be about is how I see the markets each day when I'm doing my chart analysis, sharing that with you and explaining how I trade, and that's it really. So let's get into it. Each day what I'm looking at is I'll start on the higher time frame, looking at the, say the weekly. See the start of this week we pushed down bearish, getting some rejection. Then I'll drop into the daily, see that we're pushing back up, bullish here, yeah. Bit of a rejection at the bottom. And again, I'm sort of absorbing this information. I can see we've been in a downtrend so many days, but I'm now struggling now to hold on to it, making new lows, but getting rejections, push back up, not holding it, not making big lows like this one here. So again, once I drop into the 1 hour chart, I'm looking at marking the support resistance levels. So even though I've got some up here which I could delete because price is all the way down here, marking the most recent low, most recent high. Yeah. I'll talk more about the indicators either later in this video or in the next video. But based on price action, we can see we've got a strong push. We've got channel descending here, but it's not really pushing to making really big lower lows. So then I'll be looking at, once I've marked these, and I also like to mark the 4 hour wicks as well, most recent highs that have been rejected. And so drop into the 30-minute chart. So once I've got these levels marked, and I can see here, this has got me attention here because of the strong push down. Then prices, basically we've got buyers pushing price back up, sellers pushing price down. Like even though we're dropping, it's very much ranging. So I can see we have this strong bullish candle here, this engulfing candle. Yeah, so we've got a rejection of this level here, which is marked on the 1 hour. Price pushes up, comes back down, rejects it again a second time. Get this signal candle here, which is an engulfing candle. That'll mean then what I'll tend to do is drop to the lower time frame now, and I'm looking for a retracement now, and a retracement that respects the MAs I've got on here. So this is the area now where I'd be looking to enter. So we've got 7 pips between, this is the 8 and the 50 MA. So you've got about 9-10 pips say here. Because it's when I'm trading the GBPJPY, it's a volatile pair, so I'll tend to have a slightly bigger stop loss. So in mind, I've always got an average of around 20 pips stop loss for this pair. So we'd be looking at an entry round here. We could base. So how I look at it, I look at it a 1-to-1. I aim for a 1-to-1, and then look to have my second position as a runner and look at my overall target, which would be your most recent support resistance zone, which in this case is here. So that would be target around 69 pips, say 64, 65 pips. Yeah. So as soon as my first position hits 1-to-1, I'll be looking at bringing me stop to break even and letting the second position run. I'll explain more about these, this high, low indicator I've got here. I'll explain more about that in a later video. Yeah, so what the chart I like to stay on is the 30-minute time frame. It's just clear candles, easy to see. Yeah, and then obviously, like I say, I'm flicking between 1 hour, 4 hour, 15.5, either side of the 30-minute time frame. Once price starts breaking these levels, I just have a clean up. Once price breaks and closes above this here, yeah, and creates a new resistance area, I'll delete this level. I can put the next and put another one in, if you know what I mean. Same applies if this level breaks. Do the same for that. I'll delete this level and put a new one in. Like I say, I like to see the 4 hour, when I see 4 hour wicks here, see I've marked this high here, these wicks. I'll do the same here. The close of this candle. It I've just got that easy visible view of that, them 4 hour highs and lows. So if I was to put one in here for you now, what I do is I can just see that on the 30-minute clear. So drop into templates, which I've created these templates, which I'll run also through with on another video. 4 hour wick, okay, easy done. Drop into the 30-minute time frame. I can see it there. It's that one, that candle. Yeah, I'm sure my explanations will be better as I do more videos. A bit less nervous than I am creating my first video. Yeah, so as for your risk management, having that one-to-one and bringing your runner to break even after the first position hit, that is a part of the risk management, which we'll talk about even more detail as I make more videos. Yeah, profitable way of trading. I trade this way. You know, I've been trading for around about 5 years, and I was doing a lot of back testing and testing of EAs during that period. So really, my manual trading, I've really been pushing and focusing on more for, I'd say, for about 2.5 years. And I've also in other videos explained to you where I started and who I was, where my path had taken me, and what traders I enjoyed and learnt more from. You know what I mean, and where the strategy I'm trading, who I learnt that from. You know, I'll give recognition for the whole of my journey, who I learnt from. You know, and you might want to drop in and check them out yourself. But yeah, I'm excited with this new channel, and I hope there's people out there that enjoy it. I think there's no real right way or wrong way of trading. I think we all trade different some way or other. But yeah, and I hope to learn things from yourselves as well as comments you'll leave for me, and yeah, so exciting. So I'll leave it there for my very first video, and thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it.